What's going on, everybody? Mike here. Welcome back to Tahoes and Turbos. At the old, home shop today. Still standing, surprisingly. There's some spots I thought this roof was gonna come crashing in, but so far we've been okay. Today we're gonna do an upgrade that should help us big time here this summer. Listen to the stuff that I have planned and some of the stuff that I want to do, and that's basically to get the press from my grandpa actually up and functional. So as you guys know, this is the old family press from the farm. I got it this summer when we were out there, so it's been used a lot. It's not quite even, I don't think. I think we might have some. Yeah, she's not quite even. She's got to come down a bit more here. At the bottom. See it? That's right there. That there's flush. So I got to turn her down, which I'll have to find out how to do that, so we can get it all leveled and straight, because a feller bought a well, I guess this is French. Yeah, that's French. Fuck. Sometimes I hate living in a bilingual country. I really do. Here we go. 12-ton heavy-duty bottle jack. So, we're going to throw this in there. I tried moving some stuff out of the way, but it's still wintertime here. Everything's frozen firmly to the ground. Like, frozen. As you can see, I noticed that from all the weight of the snow, it put a little bit of a tear, kinda, in the end. So I'll be able to fix that later. But I can't move the press; it's frozen to the ground. Trike, same thing, kind of frozen to the ground. But we'll see what we can move and we can get in to there. So it's actually really nice in here. It says 12 degrees Celsius there. It's about 50 Fahrenheit. So not bad. Let's get everything set up here and get this thing working again. Alrighty, folks. Got the trike moved. As you can see, she was frozen down pretty hard. It's got quite the chunk missing out of the ground there, but we'll put it all back when we're done here. Got these cords I'm fighting with. I eventually want to run them all the way that way, but I've been kind of lazy. Not gonna lie. Well, not lazy. Sorry, I've been really fucking busy. Like this last... I can almost zip tie this. Or even just... There we go. Something like that. But no, I've been extremely busy. Like this last little while here. So, I do apologize for not much going on. I did have a Patreon video go out. For any of you that are interested in that, we do have another Patreon video, or I should say because there is no we here, except for me. Let's get this through here. There we go. It's all frozen up in there. Oh, sorry. So we do have another video coming out for Patreon soon. So if anybody who's interested in that, stay tuned. But anyways, as you guys can see, we kind of got things a little bit leveled. Let me see if I can sit down without getting anything up the ass. There we go. Down at the bottom here, I wanted to make sure that the threads were flat, right, even. So then everything else should work together. If anybody knows anything about this kind of press, please comment down below. I see it is dented there. I can flip it. The other side isn't dented. Right, this side here, as you can see, has had some schmutz. So I don't have any of the blocks or anything like that. If you guys know where I can get stuff like that, comment down below. I'd love to hear it. This is my first press. I've never had to buy one because I've always had this one at the farm until the bottle jack randomly disappeared one day. I think we used it for something else, to be honest with you. But anyways, this here we got going good. So everything should be even. Now we're going to open up this box here and see what's inside. Let me see if I can, there we go, sit on the trike a bit. Do I have any cutters or anything in here? Do I have a knife or anything in here that I can cut with? These are frozen. Give me a sec, folks. Oh, there you go. Those are frozen up. There we are. Let's see. Come on. There we are. Let's see what this looks like. Just your standard. We got instructions. We got instructions. So let's take a look at the instructions. Weight capacity. Yeah, we're gonna anything that's 24,000 pounds or more of pressure. Like we're if it takes anything more than that, we're we deserve a bigger setup as it is. So, but yeah, everything here looks normal. Elevating screw. I don't think we're gonna pull the elevating screw out. We're just gonna put it in normal and go from there. Ooh, that's pretty neat. I wonder if I should kind of keep this like this. Kind of keep these pieces so that I can have it off to the side. Instead of having the long ass arm, I can just have this sitting there. Huh, that's pretty neat. And then inside, we just have our run-of-the-mill. If I can get it out. Come on. With one hand. There we go. Our 12-ton bottle jack. So, plastic little valve there. Weird. But it should pump up the jam. Oh yeah. And do what it needs to. This will come out. Awesome, awesome. Oops, sorry. So, or what would you guys do? Would you guys pull the pull it out, or would you? Is this just a cap? Yeah, it's just a cap. That's pretty neat, though. I can keep that on there to keep it kind of a bit secured. So, but what would you guys do? Would you guys extend it, or would you just do it like I'm thinking of doing it and there we are. How does it go down? Is it going down? I'm unscrewing the thing. There we go. First one's gotta be pushed. Alright, no worries. So, but I don't know. For the price I paid, can't go wrong. Got it from the local co-op. So, but if you guys think I should unscrew this when I put it in, let me know. I'll go back after and do it. But I think we should be fine. Just with the sheer pressure of it. And that's one more thing to bend, right? I don't know. Anyways, let's throw it in and see how it fits. Alright folks. Got her mounted. Straight as it can be. She's kinda crooked. This thing is kinda bent and twisted, but we got her in. It's on a spring, so I realized, tightening on it, the more I tighten on it, the more it comes down, right? So you can never really fully get it tight, which is okay, because, you can pull the bottom out, but if I need to adjust it, I did figure out, yeah, I can just use this guy here, get it up to where I need it, and then we can start pumping on it. So let's see how well it actually works. Alright folks, went ahead and built the lever. Now it's kind of weird because it's a bunch of different pieces and it's flat there and it's flat there. So basically what you do is you just slide that in, right? You just jack it like you would. Then as you jack it, that comes down. At least it should. Yeah, it is. Which is pretty cool, actually. Well, you can see it coming. And then, I guess the whole thing comes out. Right? Let's turn it. Oop, up we go. So it needs some help. Obviously, it's a new jack. So it'll have its, it'll need some work. I was reading in the book too, and it said about the oil fill levels and oil fill, and I'm like, I better not have to fucking fill this thing with oil. That would suck. So, but there it is, folks. The shop now has a functioning press. I'm super stoked because now I can do the oil seals for this thing, which I've been wanting to do, but I didn't have a press to do it. So, my door open? I didn't open it. Hang on a sec, folks. I never opened this. Huh. I closed that when I came in. Weird. Anyways, it's been a weird day. So, I'm going to finish all this up here and we'll be back to finish the video. Alright, folks, there it is. Let me get the box here. I'm bad at this. There's your thumbnail. The max load 12-ton bottle jack installed, and then we have a press. It thawed a bit because it's warm in here, so I was able to move it away, as you guys can see. Kind of buggered up there a bit, so I moved it away. That way, it's not going to. What's the temperature in here right now? Same as it was. Okay, that way it's not going to wreck anymore. Hopefully, so. But that makes me happy. What do you guys think? Finally, we got the press actually done, actually in the shop. Well, it's been in the shop, but it's been in the corner, just put away. And the reason why I haven't brought the compressor back out here yet is because I wanted to do this first. So now we've got a press. One step in the right direction, folks. Always, 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 always. So that's like I always say, we always gotta do it's one step forward, right? It's like you don't have a bad day. If you have a bad day, you can flip that into a good day real as quick as that bad day turned into a good, or that good day turned into a bad day. So, but I'm so stoked. Now I get to hang out with my daughter and watch the wrestling pay-per-view. Which one is it tonight? Elimination Chamber from Toronto. We were actually gonna go to it, but when you got planes that are flipping and all that shit that's been going on, we decided to just stay home and watch it. We do have plans on going to one this summer. I'm going to take my daughter, at least maybe both of them. We'll see how that goes, but for sure we got some stuff happening. Like WrestleMania's coming to Vegas, and a fella just might end up going to Vegas because I've been wanting to for my whole life. I've got the funds to do it, so might as well. Anyways, guys, I got a header. We got to go and pick up all the food that I ordered from the restaurant and stuff, and start getting ready. Ooh, it looks like I got to shave the beard off too. I'm starting to look pretty old and scruffy. Pretty old. Oh, jeez. Anyways, guys, until next time, take care of yourselves. Love you. God bless. And I don't know what we're gonna do next, but you'll find out before I do.